Hey, it's Jeffrey Kirk here. So you've set up your website, you poured your heart and soul into creating amazing content, but where are all the visitors? If you're scratching your head wondering why your website isn't getting the attention it deserves, chances are you might be facing some common search engine optimization issues. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you through the problems and help you to get them fixed. Before we get started, let's quickly recap what SEO is. Search engine optimization is the process of optimizing your website to rank higher in the search results, ultimately driving more organic traffic to your website. It's all about making your site more visible and accessible to potential visitors. Here are some common SEO-related issues you might encounter, along with tips on how you can go about fixing them. Number one, your site has slow page loading speeds. Ever clicked on a link and waited for what seemed like ages for the page to load? Yeah, nobody likes that. Slow load times can turn visitors away faster than you can say refresh. Visitors expect fast loading pages, and search engines like Google prioritize sites that offer a smooth user experience. What's the solution? Start by using tools like Google PageSpeed Insights to identify what's slowing your site down. One effective strategy is to optimize your images, not just by reducing their file size, but also by adopting next-gen image formats like WebP, which offer superior compression and quality characteristics compared to traditional formats like JPEG and PNG. Also consider lazy loading for your images and your videos. This technology only loads these things when they're about to enter the user's view rather than before the entire page shows up. Doing this can significantly improve loading times, especially on pages with a lot of media content. And don't forget the basics either. Minify your CSS and JavaScript files and take advantage of browser caching. If your site is still slow, it might be time to evaluate and possibly upgrade your web hosting plan. These steps can make a substantial difference in your site's loading speed, and that enhances user experience and potentially boosts your search rankings. Number two, your site has missing or poorly written meta descriptions. Meta what? Yeah, meta descriptions. These are those little snippets that appear under your website's link in the search results. The text is an important part of getting searchers to click through to your site. These little bits of information should be concise, informative, and engaging, offering a preview to encourage clicks. When crafting your meta descriptions, keep in mind that Google sometimes truncates this text based on pixel width, not just character count. To ensure your entire message is visible, aim for descriptions that don't go over 990 pixels in width. The rule of thumb is to keep the description shorter than 160 characters, but with pixel limits, it means a lot of fat letters could cause the description to be too wide. To avoid a problem, keep your most important information toward the beginning of the description. That way, if it gets cut off, at least your primary message is seen. Number three, your site lacks quality content. Content is the king in the online universe. If your website's content doesn't provide value, you're missing out on a significant SEO opportunity while also failing to effectively engage your audience. But what makes content truly valuable? First and foremost, your content should resonate with the EAT principle. That's EEAT, experience, expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness. Google emphasizes these factors because they tend to provide users with the most reliable and informative content. Demonstrating your expertise on a topic, ensuring your content is authoritative and trustworthy, and providing insights that only someone with direct experience could offer can significantly impact your site's perceived value and, as a result, its search engine rankings. Also, it's important to understand user intent when you're creating content. It's not just about the keywords anymore. It's about why people are searching for those keywords in the first place. What are they hoping to find? Your content should be designed to meet the specific needs, questions, and interests of your audience. Whether they're looking for answers, solutions, entertainment, whatever, your content should deliver. So, how do you ensure your content aligns with these principles? Start by identifying the relevant keywords for your niche, and then go beyond that. Dive deep into the topics that matter most to your audience. Create high-quality content that showcases your expertise, addresses the user's intentions, and builds authority and trust. Running out of ideas for your next blog post? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Check out my previous video called 10 Ways to Get New Blog Content Ideas. You can look for the link below. Okay, we're on to number 4. Your site has broken links. Nothing screams unprofessional louder than broken links scattered throughout your website. Broken links and 404 errors create a poor user experience, and these things signal to search engines that your site might not be well maintained. Regularly scan your website for broken links using tools like Google Search Console. Fix any broken links or redirect them to relevant pages to ensure a smooth browsing experience. Also, update or remove outdated content to ensure a seamless user experience. And number 5, your site is not mobile friendly. Another important thing to boost your SEO is to make sure your website works well on mobile phones and tablets. With more people browsing the web on their smartphones than ever before, having a mobile-friendly website is non-negotiable. And Google looks at how websites work on mobile devices ahead of desktop performance these days. So if your site doesn't work well on phones, it might not show up as much in the Google searches. You can test your website against a number of different factors by using Google's Page Speed Insights tool. This will also let you see how well your site works on mobile compared to your desktop version. To find the tool, you can go to pagespeed.web.dev or simply do a search for Google PageSpeed Insights. And if you haven't already done so, make sure your website is responsive. Responsive design means your website changes how it looks and works depending on the device someone is using. This way, it is designed to always look good. All right, that's enough for now. I don't want this video to get too long. Be sure to come back for the next video where I go over 5 more important SEO issues. Once that video, meaning the next one, is published, you'll find the link below. You'll want to watch that one as well so you can give your website better search visibility and rankings. In the meantime, here's a bonus for you to help create valuable and relevant content. I put together a content marketing strategy checklist for you. It's free, and you can get it at upatdawn.biz/10content. Go ahead and get that now. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tips on improving your website's performance. Your business deserves to be seen online, and I will help you get there. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.